Hello children, this is a new chapter again. It's the name of this chapter is Space Trip. So this is definitely very exciting for you all. It's a very interesting chapter. So you all must know that which planet we are in and how many planets are there. And you must remember that in the solar system, what happens is around the sun, every planet has its own orbit, and each of the planet is revolving around the sun. Okay, we are taking 365 days to complete one revolution. Similarly, other planets are taking their own time to complete one revolution around the sun. Revolution means the movement which is being done around the sun. One whole circle around the sun is known as one revolution. Okay, so here there are 8 or 9 points are given. There are 9 points which are given. So you need to see the points and tell if it is true. You have to write T for it. If it is false, you need to write F for it. I have done it for you all. You all just need to remember. Okay, so which planet we live is? We live on Earth. This you know, we live on Earth. So first point, we live on Earth is true. So just write T over here. Okay, we live on Earth, so it is T. I'll just locate the planet for you. This is Earth. Okay, this is Sun, this is Earth. Okay, this is Earth. This planet looks blue in color. Why? Because most of the water is present in our Earth, in our planet. That is the reason it is also called a blue planet. This is just an extra information which I am adding on. You just need to remember that we live on Earth. Okay, second is Venus is nearest to the sun. Venus is nearest to the sun. This point is very much wrong, because when you know the planets, when you list them, I'll be listing out for you all: Mercury, Venus, not Earth. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the names of the planets. So first planet which comes is Mercury, not Venus. So Venus is nearest to the sun is false. This statement is false. The correct statement will be Mercury is nearest to the sun. Just write F over here. No need to correct it or rectify it now. Just mark F over here. Third one is Earth is between Venus and Mars. Just remember Mercury, Venus, Earth. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, right? So Earth is between Venus and Mars. This answer is correct. So this point is true. Just write true over here, T. So Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. This is not a planet, this is moon. Okay, so Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. So Earth is between Venus and Mars. So the statement is correct. So we have to write TO in the third one. Fourth is the moon is a satellite. Definitely moon is a satellite. Moon is not a planet. Moon is a satellite. So this is our moon which is revolving around the earth. So moon is our natural satellite. Satellite, you all know that satellite are those things which are artificial. Satellites are also present, by the help of which, when you switch on your TV, how are we switching on our TV? Because of the help of satellite. What is happening? All the radiations are coming, and we are being able to watch all the channels which we want to see on the TV. So with the help of satellite, we can do lots of things, and moon is our only natural satellite of the earth. Just remember this much. Just write T over here. Fifth one, the moon shines with the sun's light. Definitely moon does not have its own light, so with the sun's light the moon is shining. Okay, so write T over here. Sixth one, the moon goes around the sun. No, this is false. I told earlier also, moon revolves around the earth. Moon does not revolve around the sun, it revolves around the earth. Okay, so this is F. This is false. Seventh one, the sun is a star. Definitely the sun is a star. Why? Because it has its own light, so it is shining. So it is true. Eighth one, Mercury is the smallest planet. Yes, this is also true. Mercury is the smallest planet on earth. Okay, Mercury is the smallest planet on the solar system. So in the whole solar system, among all the planets, Mercury is the smallest planet. Ninth one, Saturn is a ringed planet. This is also true. The Saturn is the only planet which has its beautiful rings around it. So Saturn is a ringed planet, right? T over here. So all these 9 true or false we have done. Please try to remember all these 9. The questions will be coming in this format only. I'll be asking, if it is true, you have to say true. If it is false, you have to say false. Fine. All these 9 true or false needs to be remembered. Thank you, all of you. Bye. I hope you all like this chapter. This is a very interesting and a very nice chapter. Please enjoy this chapter. Thank you.